Hey everybody, Stephen Gilbert here. Long time no post. Been in hibernation. Haven't been flying any drones. Just got the simulator a few months ago. I've been flying this, but I haven't flown this for a month either. So I'm a little rusty. I'm going to try to do some races. Because the first time I flew this, I couldn't even get through a pylon without hitting anything. So as you can see, I can do a little bit better. A little shaky. This helped me tune the drone a lot, so hopefully some point and then I mess up. This is the frustrating part. When laps are 5 seconds and it takes 20 to get through the cones, it gets very frustrating. So I want to do more drone videos. My flying technique will hopefully get a lot better. I definitely got better at freestyle. I think we'll do some freestyle at the end of this video. I'm getting better at the... Never mind. Don't listen to me. I was about to say I'm getting better at it, but come on. There we go. Once you get a flow going, it works pretty well. I got 4 laps in. That's better than before. Okay. I keep on wanting to give up. That's why I just do freestyle and I've never done a race. I haven't even done an RC car race, I don't think. Here we go again. Okay, here we go. Let me concentrate. Yeah. The guys racing, they run it like 70 degrees like that almost, which is really difficult because then the whole how the drone works changes. Well, okay. I'm just going to do some freestyle stuff. Going to make a little music video like Mr.Steele does. So enjoy that, guys, and see more from you later. Like and subscribe. And thank you from Stephen
and Chelsea.